dear students. How are you everybody? So hope you all are happy with your family. So let's start our computer subject today. So in computer page number 23 we are going to start today lesson number 3. So lesson number 3 and name of the lesson 3 is working with Windows 7. Now what is Windows 7? We will learn in this chapter. Windows 7 has been designed and developed by Microsoft Corporation of USA, United States of America. Okay, so what are the design in this Windows 7 and how can we use this Windows 7? Okay, so that we will see. First of all, here it is given as Windows 7 on your monitor screen. Windows 7 means what is the program changes are done for you in Windows 7. That is the in this chapter according to your syllabus 7 is there, but nowadays Windows 10 is also available in market. Means lot of changes and upgrading it did in the Windows, so you can do more design and style and stylish in your work also, and you get so many facilities also. So here are the few points. Windows has been designed and developed by Microsoft Corporation of USA. This is about what is Windows 7. Okay, Windows makes the computer operational. Windows is found on computer's hard disk. Okay, now on page number 24, booting computer. Now what is booting computer? When computer is switched on, before to start our first of all we do switch on of the computer. Okay, so switch on, Windows is read from its hard disk and loaded in computer's memory. When you switch on computer button, okay, so what happen, it is read that you have switched on your computer, so it will show on your computer screen, that is on your monitor screen. So it is the message is passed on the hard disk and the screen is shown on your monitor. Okay, that which work is start, or your monitor your work is start. Now you can start. Now what is the main point? Booting. Word booting, the process of loading Windows into computer's memory is called booting. When you switched on your computer, okay, so hard disk work start process, and the window which is the version going on, you can say one type of version is going on, that is shown on your screen. So that is known as computer's memory is called booting. Now we will see by the picture. Computer memory is on the monitor also you can get, and it is saved in the CPU, storage device, hard disk, keyboard, mouse, and this is the hard disk where it is stored. Okay, so switched on computer and it is loaded by hard disk. Okay, and you can see on your monitor screen. So this is the picture, it is shown on your page number 24 textbook. Okay, so this is the, now we will learn about the stepwise. Now what is the procedure is going on while we switched on and booting is done. Perform the following steps to boot the computer with Windows. See, here is the switch on as I shown in the above picture monitor. Here it is given that you switched on your computer, that is the keyboard, on your monitor you will see that now your computer has started your work. Okay, and you need mouse, keyboard, CPU, and it is loaded screen you can see with the help of CPU, and under the CPU process is done on the hard disk. So switched on the CPU, and CPU also you have to switch on. Okay, switch on कंप्यूटर, दैट इज यू कैन से कंप्यूटर का बटन ऑन करना है जहाँ पे प्लग आपने लगाया हुआ है. CPU में भी एक बटन होता है, उसको भी आपको ऑन करना होता है. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, कंप्यूटर बूट्स एंड डेस्कटॉप स्क्रीन शोज अप. ऑन करने के बाद CPU एंड मॉनिटर, दिस स्क्रीन विल अपीयर ऑन योर मॉनिटर. ओके, सो वेट फॉर सम टाइम अंडर द प्रोसेस गोज ऑन. After that you will able to see this screen. Now we will learn about the desktop. Number 25, desktop. What is desktop? The first screen, see listen, the first screen that gets displayed after booting the computer is called desktop. Process goes on booting, okay, and then you can see this screen is known as desktop, where you can see this type of screen. Okay, now we will learn detail about this screen, that what is this name given and which picture name of this, and here are few button also you can see. So each and everything we will learn about this picture. See, here are the few icons, okay, on the desktop. See, on the desktop these are the few icons, there are the program icon, okay, and here it is the button of start button, and also this is the toolbar you can say, okay, and toolbar also here it is given, taskbar is also there, and here it is given date and time button is also there, okay, and here is also you can say a system tray, okay, for the computer system. And over here this is the area, okay, this is the background part, you can say wallpaper and background, and this is on the background it is given, this is the program icon, okay. So it is known as here desktop background as wallpaper. This is the background of desktop wallpaper, and above that it is given program icon, okay, and here it is a button of to switch on, you can say, or start button, here it is given. And next one is introduction to desktop components. Now few components of the desktop we are going to learn in detail. Windows desktop comprises of following components. Now which are the components? First one, desktop background, okay, first we need this background, okay, main we can say one type of base. The background that appears on the computer screen is called desktop background, okay. Now desktop icons, these are the icons, everything we will learn in detail. Desktop icons, small figures that appears on the screen are called icons. An icon can either be a file, folder or a program, okay, anything, it depends upon you what type of icon you are saving, okay, in short form, or it can be a program also. So file, folder or a program also. Now on the next page, page number 26, start button. This is the picture of start button, you can see start button picture. Start button is starting point of Windows menu system. Clicking the mouse on start button displays start menu, okay, when you click on you will see this type of also icon. So now quick launch toolbar. What is quick launch toolbar? Here it is given, see, here it is a short form of the program which is running on your screen, that short form here you can see in the form of pictures also, okay. So quick launch toolbar comprises of few frequently means suppose you used Windows MS Word, and now you are using Excel, so that everything appears over here, you can see over here that which program you used while using the computer. So few frequently used program icons, okay, first you used this, then you started using this, okay, and now you are using paintbrush work. So this both and this third one will show on the toolbar that these three work you did, okay. When mouse is clicked on the icon, program gets launched, and sometimes if you want to do work over here also, sometimes file workers are also there, so you can open by clicking over this icon with the help of mouse, you can open this also and open this within the short term period. Now taskbar, this is the taskbar. Taskbar appears on the right side of quick launch toolbar. When a program is launched, its button appears in its area. Next one is system tray. What is system tray? See, this is the system tray. As I explained in the starting of the that screen, desktop screen, okay, date and time, and here it is shows how much frequency you did for the audio, okay, so sound how much you are able to listen, that is the thing. System tray displays system date and system time, that is computer date and time, and that you can adjust, okay. Now next one is working with desktop icon. Desktop icons can be manipulated in following ways. How you can use that icons? First one, you have to select Obviously whatever work we want, we have to first select that. Selecting an icon.